Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove top row in Power Query. So let's start this Excel and here you can see I have data. To load data into the Power Query, you need to convert this data into the table. So let's start. Simply select inside the cell and press the Ctrl T to convert this data into table. You can this small dialog box is open. To create table, simply click on OK and that's it, your data in table. Then go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data option. Then click on the from other sources, then click on the from table or range. And here you can see your Power Query editor will open. And here you can see your table. I want to remove this top three row from this data. For that, simply select the entire data. You just simply select one cell inside this data and you can press here the Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Home tab. In Reduce Rows group, click on the Remove Rows drop down arrow and click on the Remove Top Rows. And here one dialog box will open. Remove top rows. Specify the how many rows to remove from the top. So number of rows I want to remove from the top 3 rows. Okay. So I just enter here 3 rows I want to remove from the top. Okay. Then click on OK. You can see the order ID 1, 2, 3 will remove when you click on OK. And that's it. Here's the order ID 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 is removed. Okay. So this is a way you can easily remove the top row in the Power Query. Okay, to load this data in Excel, go to the Home tab and click on the Close and Load option, and that's it. Here you can see the one sheet is added for your Excel, your Power Query data is loaded here. Okay, 4, 5, 6 means 1, 2, 3 is remove the row. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.